my name is Stacie. I'm going to show you some ideas how you can practice versions of the yogic shoulder stand inversion to help your circulation, and perhaps lower blood pressure, relaxes the mind, and is overall good for the joints because you're bringing the legs up to elevate them. Even if you don't have a warm-up or established yoga practice, which is always best, you can still just do 30 seconds a day of a simple version of a modified shoulder stand to receive benefits for relaxation and increased circulation. A simple way to try is bringing your back on the ground and just stretching your legs up in the air. Close your eyes and breathe slow and deep. If your hamstrings are tight or legs need to be bent, you still get benefits by bending the knees. For a more supported version, you can bring your legs up on the chair base with your arms below the heart. Close your eyes and breathe and relax. To come out, bend the knees, roll to the side, but you can hold longer. You can try this at the end of a long workday, at the end of your yoga practice, or perhaps before you go to sleep to help you sleep better. If you have a yoga block, there's another way you can practice this posture. You bend your knees, bring your back and your head on the ground, have the block next to you. Lift the hips and slide the block horizontal. This way, this, or high height, you'll see what feels best under the sacrum. As you can see, you're creating a bridge posture. You can go higher if comfortable in the back. There's even a third height. You might have to lift your heels to get there. That's the bridge with support. From there, you stretch your legs up in the air, balance your sacrum on the block, close your eyes, and meditate on breath. You can also focus at the center of throat or brow point. Hold and breathe as long as comfortable. When you come out, you'll lower one leg down and then the other, releasing the block. You may want to hug the knees to chest and relax a few breaths. Even a few minutes a day, elevating the legs can relax the mind, create a general increase of circulation to the heart, and help relax the nerves. Enjoy your yoga ideas to modify shoulder stand so that it's comfortable and safe for your body as you need. Have a great day. Namaste.